Welcome. For the next few minutes, this is your space to simply stay. Whether you're here to work, meditate, chant, sit in silence, study, or just spend a little time away from distraction, you made the choice to be here, and that choice matters. Before we begin, prepare yourself for the session. Grab anything you may need, settle into a comfortable position, and allow yourself to slow down for a moment. Now take 3 deep, slow breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale completely through your mouth. Again, slowly inhale and gently let everything out. One more time. Deep breath in and a complete breath out. Now quietly tell yourself, I will stay honest with myself through this session. There may be moments where you feel restless, distracted, uncomfortable, or tempted to stop early. That's okay. You do not need to feel perfect during this session. You only need to stay. Every moment you remain present instead of escaping, you strengthen your ability to live with more calm, focus, discipline, and awareness. There will be no distractions on the screen, no music during the session, just space to fully be with what you chose to do. The session will begin with 3 soft beeps and end the same way. Whatever this time means for you, give yourself fully to it. Let's begin. You did it. I'm proud of you for making it to the end of this session. Whether it felt easy or difficult, focused or restless, you stayed. You showed up for yourself, and that matters. Take a moment to appreciate that. If this session helped you today, I hope you'll continue making time for yourself and the things that matter most to you. Whether you choose another session later today, tomorrow, or sometime in the future, keep showing up, one session at a time. Thank you for being here, and take care.